So here are the lights that I removed, and what we're going to do is we're going to change this old worn out finish right here with this Rustoleum Universal Metallic Paint and Primer M1. And this stuff is really good. You can actually, the way that this bottle is designed, you can spray it upside down, side to side, and it'll spray evenly all the way around. And I found that it has a pretty durable finish, but I've mostly used it inside. It does say that it's for interior and exterior surfaces, but we live in Florida and we have some pretty heavy sunshine and weather here, so the sun tends to destroy everything. So what I've done is I'm going to use this top coat clear, which says it has a UV protection as well, and this will just add an extra layer. Once this is fully cured in about 48 hours after I apply the last coat, I'll then apply 2 coats of this to give it just that extra UV protection that it needs. So let's get started. So now we have the light in our paint box, our paint spray box. We go to this can. So first off, I'm going to make sure it has one of these red tabs on. That shows that it's new, and you just slide this red tab off like that. And then you have to shake this can for about, I believe it says 1 minute. So you got to shake it vigorously for 1 minute. Now to spraying. The way that you spray this paint and primer is with light coats. So this and the durable top coat have a different spray technique. This one is going to be sprayed with light coats about this far away, about a foot away. It says about 10 to 16 inches on this one, I believe. But you spray it about a foot away, and you spray it in fan motions back and forth. You start your spray off, so down, maybe down here or to the side of the box. You start your spray, you squeeze the trigger, and then you pull it back and forth, overlapping. Don't worry, don't try to completely coat the surface. The first coat is not going to cover everything completely, and that's okay, because we're going to do light coats. We're going to do about 2 or 3 light coats. So we do that one first. This side, we're going to turn the object, spray the other side, so we get one complete coat over it, and then it's going to be partially see-through, that coat. That's okay. We're going to wait a few minutes, and then we're going to do it all over again. Second coat should really cover it all, and then third coat is going to be our third and final, and that will make just everything nice and opaque and solid. Now we're going to spray the clear durable top coat right here. So we've shaken it for about a minute, and this time we put on a medium coat. And now we take the tape off. Just very carefully